Becoming a billionaire is a significant achievement that requires hard work, dedication, and a combination of various factors such as talent, education, skill, and opportunity. Here are a few general steps that may be helpful in working towards this goal. 1. Identify your strengths and passions. It's important to focus on areas where you have a natural talent or interest, as this will increase your chances of success and allow you to enjoy the journey towards your goals. 2. Seek education and training. Acquiring knowledge and skills through education and training can increase your chances of success. Consider investing in yourself through courses, certifications, and other learning opportunities. 3. Develop a solid business plan. A well-thought-out business plan can help you identify your target market, define your product or service, and set goals and milestones. 4. Network and seek out opportunities. Building relationships and networking with others in your industry can help you find new opportunities and gain valuable insights. 5. Be persistent and adaptable. Becoming a billionaire requires a lot of hard work and perseverance. It's important to be resilient and flexible in the face of challenges, and to continuously learn and adapt to changing circumstances. Keep in mind that becoming a billionaire is a rare accomplishment and requires a combination of many factors. It is not something that can be achieved overnight, and it may require a lot of hard work and dedication.